Hey guys, today I'm taking you with me to check out this property in Remera, around Rukiri, very close to Gisimenti. This plot is 900 square meters. That's a lot of space in such a prime location. It currently has a 4-bedroom house, which you can renovate and turn into a beautiful home. Or if you're thinking bigger, this land is perfect for building modern villas or even apartments. It's an investor's dream. And check this out. You get an incredible view of Kigali, including the convention center and the city skyline. Opportunities like this don't stay long. If you've been looking for land with potential in the heart of Kigali, this is it. Call